Here's how to convert JPEG to JPEG. So that's the JPEG version of JPEG converting to the JPG version. So if you need to do this, I created an app called ConvertSave. It's an offline file converter for Windows and Mac. All you have to do is drag and drop your files into it. So if I have a bunch of JPEG, I can drag and drop into ConvertSave and it loads them up. And then I can select my output, JPEG, convert. It's that simple. Convert, save. I worked on this with my brother. He's a software developer. I wanted to create sort of an all-in-one file converter that works for images, works for video, works for audio, and that works on Mac and Windows on your desktop. No more uploading and downloading to weird, sketchy websites. That's ConvertSave. It works really well right now, and also we're adding a bunch more advanced features. So I'm personally having a lot of fun working on this project, and I actually use ConvertSave. It came out of the need to be able to do this really quickly on my computer. So if you want to convert from JPEG to JPEG, really easy, but also JPEG to a lot of different other formats, HEIC back to JPEG. Maybe you want to create a multi-page PDF out of multiple images. You can actually do that too. If you scroll down, you'll find PDF multi-page. And so there's a ton of options along with video and audio. Hundreds of conversions. Let me know if you check it out. It's at convertsave.com, or just click the link in the description or the pinned comment down below. I appreciate your guys' support, and I'll see you in the next one.